Hi, today I will discuss about a problem where in your Spring Boot application you do some changes and you rebuild your project and then run your application, but still you are not getting your new changes that has been made by you. Instead, the application when you run is getting or running from your old bytecode. So to solve this problem, what you have to do first is that you can go to file in your IntelliJ and then invalidate cache, check all the things, invalidate and restart, and then rebuild your project. If the problem does not get solved, then what you can do that you can manually actually delete your target folder. So in your root project folder, so you have to go to your root project folder and find your target folder there. So here in your management, this is your target folder. You can fully delete this and then rebuild your project. After rebuild, you'll find your target folder will actually appear in the root folder again. And if you run the application and if you still getting the old bytecode result, that is the application is running from your old bytecode, then you have to actually go to the terminal and then run this command. And this is a Maven build project. So if you run this command and you see that your application is running from your newly built and you are getting your new changes, then that means the setting of your IntelliJ IDE is wrong. That means somehow the IntelliJ is not getting running from the newly created bytecode. So in your Maven project, so you have to change your configuration. So to change your configuration, you have to go to the setting from the file menu, and in your build, execution, and deployment, go to runner and then enable this delegate IDE build or run actions to Maven. So what will it do? It will get the new change from your new bytecode when you run from the IntelliJ instead of running this within the command within the terminal. So there are other two commands, that is you can clean the project with this command and install with this command in the ./mbnw. So this is another way without rebuilding your project from your IDE. So if you clean and then install, it will create your target folder again in the root directory of the project. And after changing the setting in the Maven in the IntelliJ that I showed a little earlier, then you can run the application, and hopefully after this you will get your new change is reflecting in your result. Thank you.